Welcome back to the Self-Care Sunday experience with yours truly, Orgasmic Delicious Living Academy. Tonight, we're going to show you a mindfulness breathwork exercise that you can do at your desk when you're feeling overwhelmed. So what you're going to do is take your hand and use your finger and trace around each of your finger while you inhale and exhale. So let's begin. As you trace your baby finger along the outside of it, inhale. Coming up, around, exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Come again, inhale. And exhale. Trace it nice and slow with a feather touch. Inhale. And exhale as you come down. Around your thumb, inhale. And exhale. Do that as many times as you want. Activate those skin receptors, that light touch. Your breath work is going to induce relaxation, putting your body in a parasympathetic state, which is what you want. Have a blessed week. One love.